Hey guys, I hope everybody is enjoying their Monday. Wanted to pop in real quick to talk about some calls that I've been getting, quite a bit of calls actually recently. I've been getting from recent and past clients regarding escrows. Now, for those of you that already own a home, you're probably familiar with escrows. For those of you who are thinking about buying your first home, the word escrow is going to pop up quite a bit throughout the home buying process, and it refers to a few different things, but what I want to talk about today is concerning escrowing your property taxes and your insurance. I've been getting quite a few calls and emails recently about people's payments increasing due to increases in their escrows. Now, it's important to understand that if you have a fixed interest rate on your mortgage, typically your principal and interest payment will remain the same for the life of the loan, assuming you're making timely payments and you haven't made any alterations or modifications to your loan. That being said, if you have escrowed your property taxes and your insurance, it's important to understand that over time, the premium on your homeowner's insurance as well as your property taxes will typically increase. Now, in Texas, we've been lucky enough, depending on how you look at it, over the past decade or two, to not see significant increases on a year-to-year basis. And that's primarily because we typically have not seen significant increases in short spans of time in property values. However, over the course of the last 2 to 3 years, we have seen significant increases nationwide, but especially in Texas, like we've probably never seen before, due to many different things. Obviously, the housing market has been booming over these last few years, have set record numbers, and due to this happening all over the country, us being here in Texas, and because of our job market and many different aspects of cost of living, etc., Texas is one of the hotter markets in the country. So people are coming from all over. California, New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, all these more expensive parts of the country are selling their properties, coming here to Texas and buying up properties because they're realizing how much more they can get, how much more bang for their buck that they can get, especially with, COVID and everything that has occurred over the last few years. In the past, it was a lot more difficult for people to migrate due to job restrictions and such, but now that a lot of these larger corporations are allowing people to work remotely, it makes that migration that much easier and make that much more sense. Now, the upside is obviously if you own a home, your value has increased, so you have built up significant equity in your home because of these price increases or value increases over time. The downside can be that, when your value goes up, typically, the amount that you pay on your property taxes will also go up. Now, each year as a homeowner, you'll receive a little colored postcard in the mail from the county that basically states, we have assessed, or the county has assessed the value of your home to be X amount of dollars. And you have the ability to contest that. If you aren't already doing that, I do recommend that you pay close attention to that each year. Typically, if you're working with, a realtor that I work closely with, most of the agents that I work with would assist you in contesting those values to keep it down and keep your, property taxes as low as possible. So as opposed to your professional appraised value, not to get these things confused. So to be clear, a professional appraisal that you pay for through the home buying process or refinance process is basically done by a professional appraiser. They come out, measure the home, inspect the home, etc., and document a value. A county assessor many times won't even come out to the home. They're just looking it up and running a quick, either a drive-by or a quick valuation over the internet. Those can be contested. It's going to keep the county assessed value as low as possible, which in turn should keep your property taxes as low as possible. So if you haven't reached out, if you have your current homeowner and you haven't already reached out to the realtor that helped you purchase the home and you need some help with that, please feel free to shoot me a message or give me a call and I can refer you to someone. But that is one way that you can monitor and hopefully keep your escrows or your property taxes as low as possible. Another thing to keep an eye on is your homeowner's insurance premium. Now, a lot of times this is one of those things that a lot of us, myself included, will sometimes set and forget, and it'll automatically renew each year. But it's important that each year, you monitor that and look for some comparisons, see how everything is going, to make sure that you're getting the most competitive premiums out there. Again, with that as well, if you need any help and you need any referrals or somebody to help you with that, just reach out and I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. I hope that helps. Again, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to click the links below or give me a call, and I'm always happy to assist. And I hope everybody enjoys the rest of their day.